Welcome to our CPU Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into the features and performance of two of the most talked about processors on the market. The Intel Core i5-12600KF and the AMD Ryzen 77800X3D. We'll explore their specifications, strengths, and weaknesses to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Intel Core i5-12600KF is priced at an attractive $189, making it a budget-friendly option for gamers and PC builders. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 77800X3D comes in at a premium price of $449. While the Ryzen offers superior performance, the price difference is significant and may sway budget-conscious buyers towards the Intel option. Next, we compare performance. The Intel Core i5-12600KF, with its hybrid architecture, delivers solid gaming performance and multitasking capabilities. However, the AMD Ryzen 77800X3D takes the crown with its innovative 3D V-cache technology, providing unmatched gaming performance that excels in cache-sensitive titles. For gamers seeking the best experience, the Ryzen 77800X3D is the clear winner. Finally, let's discuss architecture. The Intel Core i5-12600KF features a hybrid architecture with performance and efficiency cores, making it versatile for various tasks. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 77800X3D is built on the advanced Zen 4 architecture, which not only enhances gaming performance, but also ensures future-proofing with its AM5 socket. This architectural difference highlights the distinct target markets for each CPU. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i5-12600KF and the AMD Ryzen 77800X3D have their unique strengths. The Intel processor is perfect for those on a budget, while the Ryzen is ideal for gamers seeking the best performance. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.